Hi loves, in this video I am going to show you 3 things: how I prep my hair for a braid out, how I use my tea rinse on my hair and scalp during the week, and how I do my scalp massages with oil. I am going to be using 2 things: the high maintenance hair tea and my own DIY oil. I take the high maintenance hair tea, I have it here in a spray bottle, and I am just going to apply it all over the length of my hair and my scalp. I am doing a tea rinse challenge, hashtag TLT rinse challenge. You can use that hashtag and learn about it, or see the highlight in my story called tea challenge. I spray this all over the length of my hair and my scalp. This tea rinsing during the week does give me a lot of slip. I use it like a leave-in base. And right now you're going to see me just start to braid my hair. I use medium sections in the front, a little bit bigger sections in the middle, and even bigger sections in the back. It just kind of depends on how much definition I want throughout my hair. So I just braid each section up. You can use any herbal tea for tea rinsing. I like to use the high maintenance hair tea because it's full of herbs that are really amazing and it gives great slip. So once again, you see me spraying the tea rinse all over my hair. I do concentrate on my scalp because I'm using this tea rinse to promote hair growth and to lessen my shedding and breakage. I pay a lot of attention to my edges with the tea rinse, again because I'm trying to promote growth and thicken my hair, and I'm trying to reduce my shedding. You'll notice that I twist the ends of my braids. I do 2-strand twists towards the ends because that helps me when I get ready to take my braids out. I don't burst or rip the ends of my hair. Sometimes, since the ends of my hair are really curly, when I try to put them in braids, it's really hard to take it out. So I have 7 braids all throughout my hair, and now I'm getting ready to use my DIY oil for my scalp massage. I take the oil, I rub it all over my palms and my fingertips, and I get the oil distributed evenly on my hands, and then I just gently massage. I use the pads of my fingers to massage my scalp in a circular motion and just apply the oil. Remember, oil is not a moisturizer, so you want to make sure that your scalp is wet or at least damp with water, or in this case my tea spray, before applying your oil. Because tea rinsing can leave your hair a little dry, and I already have high porosity hair that's prone to dryness, I am going to be using the Eden Body Works Coconut Shea Leave-In to just distribute that throughout my braids. As a tip, so that I don't get flaking or product buildup, I have already used the Eden Body Works Leave-In in my hair previously during the week, so I'm just applying that same leave-in. I don't add products on top of each other. Whatever I have in my hair, I just keep in my hair. I keep applying it to avoid buildup or flakes. Thank you guys so much for watching.